Hello, I am Keshwi Soni, and today I'm gonna make a key way more easier to hold it by the people with physical disabilities, such as a patient with strokes, multiple sclerosis, who always suffering from the tremors. So we are gonna make thing from this clay. So for that, I'll just took this two pink and white clay and I'm gonna roll it and then flat it on the surface. Okay, I'm using this rolling pin to flat this clay properly. Okay, and then we're gonna put this key in between. So this is the one layer. We are gonna make another layer so that it fixes properly. Okay, this is the final look of this key, which is easily held by a patient who has difficulty in holding small objects. So yeah, it is. You can see this properly. So people can use it like that. Thank you.